So Mark and I built this boat to try to go upstream further than any other boat ever has before.
Because we think that there's an awesome adventure at the very end of where we can get to.
So we have to get up there to see what's going on.
So we cleared out a lot of the tree, but now we are stuck.
Is that prop in danger?
Maybe a little bit, but spider monkey us.
Oh, Pontoon's on shore. I want to get over to that.
You don't think you could just like jump and hit that?
Hit it and come right back down.
You don't think you could?
Do you think you could?
You're way more nimble than me. You're kind of better off going up front and chucking it and then bending us. Kind of expensive stuff right there. Oh, so close. You gotta put your other arm out because the rope's so short.
That was perfect.
So now we're stuck and we don't have our grappling hook. I bet if I go to the front, the weight will pick up and we might drift. How's that? Get over on the other side, maybe? Just run and jump, dude.
You just want me to fall in the river.
Here, get that thingy, undo the thingies, get them real long, and then scoop the loop of the rope. Hook the loop. Can't grapple, you can't hook the loop. There you go.
Carnival game.
It's just gonna pull out, yeah.
Oh, that's fucking cold.
This is fucking comical. There you go. That wasn't too bad. At least you wore your boots.
Yeah.
So we got the hook back and could get back to clearing out the tree. Want to move that branch so you look real cool? Perfect.
So we're having trouble clearing out the tree while we were on the deck of the boat, so Mark decided to experiment with some waders that he got from his father-in-law.
Thanks, Tom.
T-Man!
This is weird. This is weird. This is like really, really weird. Ooh, how deep is this thing? Okay, it's cold. The waders were awesome, but we couldn't really free anything up, so we had to come up with a new plan. A couple of loggers at their finest.
So our saw's battery died, but fortunately, since our boat is solar, we can charge it as much as we want.
With this. There it is. That's what it's all about. Onward! getting after it.
There's no blade.
What the hell is that thing? Huh. Can you see bottom?
No, it's a stick. It's probably gonna hit the transom.
There we go.
No, that's fine. Now it's an issue.
We got our boat stuck again, but don't be afraid to click right here and see our further adventures, and thanks for watching.